If I ask you a question that if you are asked to build a data center or server room from scratch, what are the devices you're gonna need? You might say, I will need a switch, I will need servers, I will need firewall, I will need storage, and cables and some other equipment as needed, right? And anytime you are building a network, you are using three-tier architecture. You need servers, storage, and network. I still remember the days when I was working with a company, and every time we had to add a new service, we were buying a new physical server and paying more than 4,000 or more. This really gets complex and expensive for large networks. To avoid such complexity and expenses, companies are now moving to the cloud, but privacy, security is their first concern. Um, to resolve such challenges, we now have one hardware that is combination of all three tiers, meaning network, storage, CPU, all in one hardware called HCI or High Per Converged Infrastructure. It helps you save money. Uh, you can easily scale up and scale down when needed by just adding new hardware and configure different level of policies as well. All virtual machines running in Azure Cloud, they use Hyper-V. Hyper-V supports multiple operating system versions like Windows and Linux. You can also use different operating systems run side by side to configure high availability. You can configure fault tolerance and space by compressing and using the deduplication feature to save more and more space. On the other side, software defined networking helps provide virtualize your network and also provide security features to prevent your network from vulnerabilities. So finally, hyper-converged infrastructure can be accessed through Windows Admin Center, and there is a useful link which you can click on and you can learn some more information.